Coping skills and its strategies. In psychology, coping skills is expending conscious efforts to solve personal and interpersonal problems, seeking to master or minimize, tolerate stress or conflict. Psychological coping mechanisms are termed as coping strategies or coping skills. They are the skills that help us to deal with the problems of growing up. Self-talk helps us to deal with different situations. Self-talking is the internal voice in our heart. It includes our internal conversation. It determines how we perceive situations. It is our thoughts and beliefs. Self-talk can be positive or negative and influences how we feel. Some positive affirmations that we can use to deal with various situations are: I will get through this. I am stronger than I feel right now. This is temporary. I can do it. I love myself. Unless you know how to handle stress, it can lower your self-esteem. Yes, coping skills give you the tools to fight with your uncontrolled emotions. You have to stay positive. Problems can make you feel hopeless. Coping skills will help you see your problems for what they are and help you find solutions. We face problems at home like violence, a parent's use of alcohol, physical abuse or lack of money, etc. There is a peer pressure among school students like jealousy, strata of a society, stealing, etc. Pressure at homes by parents, pressure at workplace. Too much stress can lead to headaches, stomach upset, and other health problems. Now, how to reduce your stress? Some of the coping skills are: set your realistic goals, reach out to your parents, any other adult whom you can trust, and tell how you feel. Be good and honest to yourself. Write your thoughts, emotions, and feelings in your diary. It results satisfaction. Speak positive affirmations or positive self-talk. Find ways to increase your energy level and self-confidence. Learn methods to relax. Build self-esteem in you. Get to know yourself. Accept your own individuality and personality because you are unique. Identify your strengths. Learn to take responsibility and learn to face problems. Hold on your beliefs. Ask for what you want in a direct way. Make your own decisions. Making good decisions means asking yourself the right questions. Reaching out is the key to cope up with all the problems. You can turn to your friends, parents, and other adults, counselors, psychologists, self-help groups, etc. Don't keep problems to yourself. Talking to someone can help you overcome difficult situations and feel better.
DPMI सिर्फ शिक्षा हुनर ही नहीं बल्कि सम्मान के साथ सुनिश्चित रोजगार।
Thank you, DPMI.